Hello guys, and welcome to today's video guys. On today's video guys, we are going to be talking about three things. Okay, so we are going to be talking about how you can be able to monetize your Telegram channel, all you need to know, and the little thing that is required for you to start making money from Telegram. Also, we are going to be talking about the new website that pays USDT every day to its users. And lastly, we are going to be talking about the coin that I bought on my last video. The coin has actually done massively. I'm going to be talking about it on this video, so do well to watch the video to the end. And also, I'm going to be giving away 10 USDT to 5 of my fans right here. So if you're watching the video right now, you actually stand a chance of earning yourself USDT through my giveaway. So I'm going to be sharing 10 USDT to 5 persons. So what you need to do to qualify to get it is very simple. Simply like this video, drop an interesting comment, and most importantly, make sure you share this video. That's very, very important. And finally, do well to actually subscribe if you haven't done that. That's your ticket to qualify. Okay, so without wasting time guys, let's now dive in. Let me first of all show you guys how you can be able to monetize your your Telegram channel rather. So to be able to monetize your Telegram channel, it is very, very easy. And right now on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do it. So over here right now, I am on my Telegram right here. So this is the popular Telegram everyone is talking about, and of course this is my Telegram channel where I drop updates about cryptocurrency, how you can be able to make money online. Every single money making opportunity that I see, I share the updates right there with you guys. So to be able to monetize your Telegram channel, what you need to do is very easy. Now you only need to do 3 things to get your Telegram channel monetized, and guess what, you can create a Telegram channel today and add up to 200 persons. So immediately you create a Telegram channel where you are going to be posting informative and very educative stuff, you can easily add up to 200 persons. But after adding 200 persons, you will be able to add more persons to it. And now to be able to get your Telegram channel monetized and start making money, what you need to do is to simply make sure the Telegram channel is public, not private. Make sure it's public, and also make sure you gather up to 1,000 persons. Now if your Telegram channel is public and you gather up to 1,000 persons, what you need to do right now is to simply go and toggle the Telegram monetization button. That's just how simple it is. So with 1,000 persons on your Telegram channel, which you can easily gather, now you can earn money every single day by posting. Now how do you actually earn when you post? You actually earn when you post because Telegram channel is going to be showing some advert on your Telegram channel, and you and Telegram are going to be sharing the money 50-50. Telegram takes 50% and you as a creator or the Telegram channel owner gets 50%. It's very simple. Now for example, right now let me show you an example on our Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel right here. So once you have gotten up to 1,000 persons and the channel is public, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on this top button right now. Once you click on it, you simply scroll down a little bit. Now over here you can see that this is what I've earned so far on Telegram since I've been posting. I've never withdrawn even once, but I just don't want to withdraw because this is very, very small, you know. So over here guys, this is what I've earned from the ad. I've got about 45 gram, which is tone coin. I've got about 45 tone coin or gram. You know, tone coin is the same as gram, right? So I've got about 45.76 gram, and I've gotten about 1,000 stars, because when you post, sometimes your fans or maybe people in your Telegram channel do give you stars. So I've gotten about 1,000 stars right here, and for you to be able to earn, you simply click right here over here on balance. So once you click on balance, you can see this is the monetization button right here. So this literally shows all I've been earning so far on this particular Telegram channel. When I scroll down a little bit, you can see this is the balance so far, and of course when I scroll down, you can see that I can choose to collect this immediately or not, and I can also use this that I've been earning right here to still boost or advertise my channel somewhere else. So also this is the stars I've earned, and of course this is the transaction that I've been earning so far. So it's very, very easy for you to get a Telegram channel monetized. All you need is make sure the channel is public, and also make sure you have got more than 1,000 persons in it, and also make sure you have met the necessary requirements. For example, be in a country where Telegram monetization is is enabled, and also make sure you have a very substantial and engaging followers right there. So that is just how easy it is for you to get your Telegram channel monetized in 2026. Now the next thing we are going to be talking about right here is we are going to be talking about a website which I showed you that guys. I told you guys that you can literally earn USDT on it. So over here guys, this is the website right here. It's called Biker, and literally on this website what you need to do is very simple. So the link to this website is going to be on the video description box. And of course, what you need to do is simply click on the link, create your account. To be able to create an account, you simply add your email and of course add your password. Your account is going to be given to you. And for you to be able to earn, first of all, you need to be able to first recharge your account. And once you recharge your account, then you come over here that we have quantify. So let me show you real quick. So over here on quantify, what you need to do is simply before you can be able to quantify, you need to make sure that you have gotten yourself a package right here. So you come over here to quantify, you click on it. You can only click on it once every single day. So once you click on quantify, it is going to load up, and what they do is that they literally trade for you. They trade on your behalf. Okay, so once this system trade for you, automatically they are going to be giving you your profits within some minutes. All right, minutes, seconds. I'm talking about seconds, right? So looking over here, I've got about 12.13 USDT. So clicking on it, and the next question is can you actually be able to get your asset out of here? Now for you to be able to do that, it's very easy. Now come over here to this me right here. Okay, you can do this on your laptop or on your phone. So over here on me, I can be able to take out whatever I want. For example, when I click over here, you can see that it will load up. It will ask me to put my address, and looking over here, you can see this is what I can be able to take out if I wish to. And guess what, the withdrawal is instant, and of course I'm going to be dropping some proofs on our Telegram channel. Now let's talk about the coin that I bought just 2 days ago. That was when I made this particular video right here. You can see this video right here. This is it. You can see 2 days ago I made this particular video telling you guys how you can be able to buy your first meme coin on Robinhood blockchain. So I made that video and I bought a token. This is the token right here inside my wallet. I bought this token right here with just $2 or thereabout. You can watch that video to see it yourself. So I bought it with just about $2, and of course the token have been doing good. So I actually bought it around 100k market cap or thereabout, and the token actually did well. Though I bought it randomly, I didn't even do much research. But do not buy any token without doing any research. It is very risky and you could probably lose everything if you are not very careful. So before you do any of these, make sure you have done an intensive research. Make sure you have done your research properly before you approach any meme coin with the hope of trading it. So I'm going to be making a full video about how to trade meme coin. I'm going to be making that video, and of course I believe a lot of you need it because Robinhood blockchain is on fire. Like, people are really doing well on it. So I'm going to be making that video. So now that I've got this token right here, well, now that I have actually have my token increased in price, now what do I need to do next? I need to take out my initial capital right there. I need to take it out. So right now I will come over here. Right now I will select the token I'm trading on. Okay, now I need to search for the token right here. Okay, let me paste this. Okay, first let me get the contract address right here. This is it. Okay, then I will head over here to Jumper, and I'm going to have to paste it right here. So it will search for the token immediately. Okay, so this is it. I will select the token right now. I want to swap it to Ethereum on Robinhood. Okay, on Robinhood blockchain. Right now, looking over here right now, I can now choose to swap maybe 75% or maybe 50%, just provided that I've taken out my initial capital, so that I will leave the rest to fly wherever it wants. I will leave the rest to actually moon. If the token blows up to $1 million market cap or $1 billion market cap, I will leave them. I will be on profit. All right, so that is how you actually trade meme coin. Immediately you see profit, you take it out. That's just how simple it is. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be stopping right here. So I'm going to be making a new video, just like I said earlier, about how to spot a very nice meme coin. All right, so I'm going to be making that video and I'm going to be posting it right here on this channel. So do well to like this video and subscribe, share it, and drop your opinion in the comment section. Remember, I'll be selecting 5 persons to actually share within them 10 USDT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'll be sharing very, very soon.